Thanks, Rick.
Anytime.
Well, it's going to snow tonight, and now's the best time to get my plow ready. This is the Gledhill QCP Quick Couple Push Hitch. It's quick and easy to hook up and disconnect when you're through. Each part of this hitch is painted different colors so I can show you how it works. Over here on the table I have one just like it. This is one of the most important parts, the latch lever, and its position is what makes the plow stay on your truck. Right now it's down and locked. That's where it has to be when you're coupled up. This white part is the locking lever. All you do is pull it and you can throw the latch lever up. Now, to couple up, turn the latch lever part way down. Next, drive under the loop on the plow like this. That's a heavy piece of steel. After you drive in, be sure to back up a little to be sure you're hooked in. Now, using pieces, let me show you exactly what happens when you couple up. You see what happens when the loop goes in, it rides up on the tongue, the blue part, and is caught by the hook casting. Now you're not done. Don't try to drive with the plow yet. And remember, if you're working by yourself, set the brake before you get out of the truck. You must pull back on the locking lever and turn the latch lever all the way down like that. Now you're safe. What happens when you turn the latch lever is the latch bar tab turns down and locks the top shelf on the hook casting, and now the hook cannot come up and let the loop and the plow come uncoupled. To uncouple after the snow, pull the locking lever all the way out and turn the latch lever all the way up. That lifts the hook bar up and the hook casting out of the loop. You back up, and that's it. Now let me show you the couple up one more time. First, turn the latch lever part way down. That releases the hook and lets it catch the loop. Now, drive under the loop and back up, just enough to make sure you're hooked in. Next, you pull the locking lever out and turn the latch lever all the way down, straight down like that, and you're safe. Let's go over to my truck and I'll show you all the steps again. Hey Rick, how about giving me a hand hooking up?
Sure.
The Gledhill QCP will work on Ford, GMC, or Navistar International. Make sure your plow is level and that your truck is on level ground, and that the loop is high enough to fit straight into the hitch, and that the latch lever is unlocked. Okay, Rick, pull up a little. Slow. You got it. Now back up and check it. Good. Now, I pull the locking lever out and turn the latch lever all the way down. Now I'm hooked and locked in safe. I've installed a sight window on my truck so I can tell when I'm locked down and safe. If I can see red, I'm not locked down and I'm not safe. If yellow's in sight, I'm locked in tight. With the plow in a bulldoze position, now comes the lift cylinder stroke check. All you do is hook the plow to the lift beam and check the chain at both ends. Now, check to make sure that you have a full 10 inches of lift with the plow fully raised. Okay, Rick, run it up. There. Use a ruler or the gauge from Gledhill. And make sure you're getting a full 10-inch lift stroke. One more thing. With the plow still all the way up, check the distance between the top inside edge of the QCP, the female opening, and the top of the QCP loop on your plow using the Gledhill gauge. If the 3/8 inch thick gauge won't fit in, let your lift chain out to increase the space so the gauge slips in to get the minimum required clearance. Now, just hook up your plow hydraulics and you're ready to go. Thanks for your help, Rick. If you'll get the door, I'll get out of here. One more check of the latch lever to make sure it's straight down and safe. Well, I'm out of here and plowing. If you have any questions about hooking up, check with your supervisor or your closest Gledhill distributor. Or call Gledhill at 419-468-4400. Take your time, do it smart, and do it safe. Well, I got to get back to work. It's starting to stack up out there. Stay between the ditches.